Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel your Costco membership online. Unfortunately, there's currently no way to cancel your Costco membership directly online through their website or app. The only official way to cancel is by speaking with a team member at any Costco warehouse membership counter where you'll receive an immediate refund. Alternatively, you can call Costco's Customer Service Center at 1-800-774-2678. Again, calling their member services representative or visiting a Costco warehouse are the only ways to cancel your membership. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Costco membership online. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.